The mobile network not available error on Tracfone disrupts calls, texts, and data. It often stems from incorrect preferred network settings or VoLTE configurations. Tracfone partners with major carriers like Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile. Since Tracfone relies largely on Verizon's network, VoLTE is crucial for optimal performance. Preferred network settings dictate how your device connects to LTE, 3G, or 5G networks. Ensure your SIM card is properly inserted and activated. The Tracfone app now includes a network troubleshooter for quick fixes. If issues persist, manual fixes are covered in the next section. First, check your preferred network setting in your phone's settings. For Android, go to Settings, Network and Internet, SIMs, Preferred Network Type, and select LTE or Automatic. On iOS, navigate to Settings, Cellular Data Options. Next, enable VoLTE. On Android, find it under Settings, Network and Internet Advanced VoLTE Calls. On iOS, it's in Cellular Settings. Toggling VoLTE off and on can resolve connection issues. If problems continue, try restarting your phone. For persistent problems, reset your network settings. On iOS, Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset network settings. Contact Tracfone support if these steps don't work.